Hello, everybody. This is Ralph with another video talking about why boomers are coming out of retirement. Now, this is based on a tweet that I found by Robert Kiyosaki over on X a couple of days ago, in which he tweets out, boomers coming out of retirement, looking for jobs, hoping to get back to work. Why? And then he shares the why, because essentially inflation has eaten the value, destroyed the value of their 401ks. As he puts it in the longer version of the tweet, I had dinner with a boomer friend. He said many boomers are coming out of retirement because inflation has eaten away their 401k. They can no longer afford to live on their nest egg. And so it's a very difficult situation to be in. But I know from my own family experience that this is something that's not just limited to a handful of people, actually. There's a lot of people in this boat. I know my parents, when they retired, they worked hard their entire lives. They actually owned their own family business, but they thought that Social Security would be enough to see them through in their golden years. And so they decided they would just live off Social Security. Why have a 401k? Why have any other kind of retirement plan? And they did okay. I mean, they were living in poverty, but I mean, they did have an income good enough for them to live off of for their last, 20 years or so. But I mean, there's a lot of people now that are experiencing the recent burst in inflation over the last couple of years, and they're finding that the value of their savings, or the value of their 401ks, have been eaten away by inflation, and they have to go out there find work because they can't afford to live off of their retirement anymore. What solution does Robert Kiyosaki offer? Well, he's a believer in what he calls real money, essentially gold and silver, and he also advocates Bitcoin. Now, I think those are good strategies. I have some gold, I've got some silver, I've got some Bitcoin myself. But I would add to that building a business that pays you recurring income is also something you want to have going for you. Have income producing assets. Have a business that you own, that you control, that pays you recurring income. And I mean, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm a boomer myself, and I am old enough now to retire, but I do not plan on retiring because I have fun doing my own home-based business, and I envision myself doing this for the rest of my life. I am building a business that I do not have to retire from, one that pays me a recurring income, one that I do a lot of work in the beginning to build up, but one that will pay me after that process is complete, month after month after month. So, I mean, why retire when you can build a business that you love and let that business see you through into your golden years? That's what I'm doing. That's my solution. Now, if you want to take a look at what I do by way of online business and see if it can teach you how to build your business online, go to my main affiliate web link, which is ralphshomebiz.com, and what you'll find there is a sign-up page for what we call the Home Business Academy. And this teaches you how to build your own business online, how to make commissions in affiliate marketing, and how to earn 80% recurring commissions when you sell the academy to other people. It's the main engine of what I'm doing right now to build a passive recurring income online, and it's working good for me. I think it can work good for you too. So take a look at my link. It'll be in the program description down below. See if it works for you. But by all means, don't think that you can get by just on Social Security, because the way things are going, you're going to need something else besides that to keep you afloat in your golden years. That's what I'm discovering myself. So this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.